It is a gated community designed to provide a modern and comfortable living experience to its residents. Bharia Town, Peshawar focuses on providing modern infrastructure and amenities such as wide roads, underground utilities, parks, green spaces, and recreational facilities. Bharia Town Peshawar Pvt Limited has a history of successful real estate developments in various cities, which can indicate reliability and trustworthiness. Established developers often maintain higher construction standards, ensuring that the properties are well built and have better amenities and facilities. Bharia Town Peshawar projects are typically strategically located, which can contribute to the property's potential value appreciation and rental income. Depending on the real estate market trends and the location of the project, there may be potential for the property's value to increase over time. Bharia Town Peshawar projects often provide gated communities with security measures, making them appealing to those seeking a safe living environment. Investors may consider buying a property in a city housing project to earn rental income from tenants, which can provide a passive income stream. Properties developed by established builders can be easier to sell in the future due to their reputation and credibility. Thanks for watching.